Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about how to multiply any two numbers using Python program. So I will start. Firstly, I am going to start menu button. Then here type the Python ideally. Okay. Then next click the file menu and next new file menu. Maximize this editor. Here I am using first line as a comments line. So in Python programs I can use first line as a comments line. Write a Python program to multiply any two numbers. Okay. Here I am using three variables. A equal int. Here int means integer data type. Input. Enter the value of a column. Next variable b equal int input. Enter the value of b colon. Next I am using third variables mul equal a asterisk sign b. Next I want to print the value of a into b. So I am right here print next double quotation the result is, or the multiplication is, the result is colon. Next mul multiply. Here mul used for contain the value of a into b. Then I click the F5 buttons to run a Python program. But in Python programs, before run a programs, save these programs like multiply dot py. Multiply means primary name and py means secondary name or extension name. Okay. Next click the save buttons. Enter the value of a 10. Enter the value of b 30. The result is 300. Okay. Thank you. Any questions? Any query? You can ask me.